I'm about to have a good day.
It's gonna be a good day. It's already raining. What a great blessing from the Lord. This is Missionary Experience, and we hope that you guys can join along with us and see how we do building 2 houses today in the rain.
God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day. Baby in my arms, walking through the neighborhood, living in the present.
As we got to the site, it's sprinkling right now, so it's really not bad. It's a little less rainy. We're rolling them out to the second site. We just left the first group. We'll have to go back and give them hinges because we don't have any more. We had a bucket full, and I guess the last group just used them all up, so got to go buy some more. And then we'll bring them out to the first site and come back to the second site. But we'll go ahead and get everything ready. And we're just gonna be stuck in the rain today.
Sun is shining down on me.
Off we go.
I'm about to have a good day in every single way. The God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day. It's a good day, no, it's great. Everything I prayed for didn't come in late. I got all I need and I didn't have to wait. Ask me if you love me, you didn't hesitate. Turning all things new, gray skies blue. Hear the church saying, won't he do it? I know he's got my back. That's why
Need to get to 16.
I'm about to have a good day. No matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me. Birds are singing praise. I'm about to
Go down just a tad. Right there, that's good. Keep tight.
God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's
Nail
a
it.
good day. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na,
Yeah. Oh, we never stop building in the rain. Never stop building. You know that phrase, don't you? We love these hammers. They're excellent. But not when they're like that.
I'm afraid of this guy.
You are not like that. The roads, man, the roads.
It's the road. I should put my mask.
We are at the hardware store, and now we're gonna go get the hinges that we've been needing to get. And we gotta get a couple other little locks and things like that for the door. Almost done. About to go to the first site we dropped off the people and give them their hinges, and then quickly rush back. I'll probably get some chicken on the way. So I don't pack my lunch every day because we're always in the field. I think me and Noah are gonna go get us some chicken.
Set us free. I am no longer.
I think we walked like a quarter of a mile uphill. Taking a break, catch my breath. Tres para puerta y va a sobrar uno.
You never flake in the cold winter. I just came to borrow with the gold winners. Fast forward, turn to a road runner. Spirit caught me here, go get it. Shed blood, gave me lemonade on his cold vinegar. Always Timmy Turner, always chasing after Vicky. Took me to his fountain, gave me peace and chose to cleanse me up. Now I'm testifying of your greatness. This a different look. Go, life been hitting hard, let's take it slow. Take a walk by the river and let you flow. Cause Lord, you are all I ever want. You're all I ever want. Cause I was lost until you found me. Now I know you're all around me. Nothing I could ever do to separate my love from you.
va claro?
Eyeball.
Okay. Solo que no sé si tiene cubo. I'll do 4 ridges over, like this.
Me siento muy feliz por tener mi casa, ya no andar ahí cuidando casas ajenas, porque ya tengo mi propia casa para estar con mis hijos. Y le doy gracias a Dios y a ustedes que... Gracias, muchas gracias. Estoy muy contenta.
Gracias por el agua. Estaba closer. Yeah, you're good. All right, everybody smile. Sonrisas. I'm going to go ahead and go to the other site and make sure that they get their finishing touches with the house build. Hey guys, with the missionary experience, we just finished the second house build. Paul and the Columbus group was up there. They did a really good job today. They kept up with the other team as well. And so we all finished right around the same time, which was a blessing. So how did that site go up there?
Man, it was really difficult, but it's really rewarding to build a house for a family and be able to pray with them, get to meet them and talk to them and know that they have faith in Jesus and we have faith in Jesus, and in his blood, we're all the same.
Yeah.
So it's a great gift.
So that's it for today. Hope you guys keep watching the next episode.